But today's Monday. We can't do that on Monday. We gotta be nice to you guys. Well, how you folks doing today, huh?
Great.
Well, first of all, give yourself a round of applause because you made it to the world. We're at Riverwalk San Antonio, Texas, guys. Yeah.
Everything's big in Texas.
Thank you,
right?
thank you. Yeah, look at me. Yeah.
You're going to find that out on this.
Very happy to say, native San Antonio, native Texas, baby. And my family has been here in the great state of Texas since 1863. Yeah. Yeah, this man. Now, what does that mean for each and every one of y'all? I'm going to try to go in San Antonio, with the sea in San Antonio, and was absolutely free right here in the heart of Texas. Being in city all times, no smoking on board, no standing on board. We have some life jackets on board, but do not be alarmed. We have never had to use life jackets. You know why? Because there are mucho expensive. Hit it, Tom.
It's going to be the longest 5 hours of your life.
Thank you.
Oh,
Now,
I took him seriously.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in 1921, we had a major catastrophe. When we started the tour, right? Catastrophe, right? And they came this close to paving over the San Antonio River. Let me show you why. Look over my left shoulder. That building right there was built in 1921. The flood itself went right above street level. The top 4 floors are added in 1927. In 1950 became our Petroleum Commerce building. In 99, our Jury Inn. This close to having no river at all. On my right side here, Aztec Theater, yearboat Captain Alfred used to walk inside the theater as a child. It is a national landmark. Architects went throughout Mexico to visit the Aztec and the Mayan pyramids design a landmark. Many shows take place here year around. And we have cypress trees, guys. Cypress trees here. Look how tall they are, guys. How about that? In front. Yes,
How
sir.
did you get the lights of the cypress
I
tree?
did it all by myself. Excellent question. Every year, after Thanksgiving, my friends from Australia, that's our Thanksgiving is the 4th day of November. On the following Friday night, we stand in front of the elbow, we line up the entire riverwalk, we count 3, 2, 1, they're gonna pull a switch, and we're going to illuminate 1.6 to 1.8 million light bulbs to kick off our Christmas Night Parade in San Antonio. San Antonio, Texas has been designated one of the top 5 cities in the nation for Christmas time around the United States. We're so proud of that guy, huh?
Wow. Yeah.
How about you? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you got applaud. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Who can tell me what Illinois was filmed on this pedestrian bridge? It features Jennifer Lopez, singing star, Corpus Christi, Texas. Huh? The movie was called, what, sweetie? You had it. The movie was called Selena. Featuring Jennifer Lopez. The movie Selena. On my right-hand side here, the McCall Hotel, at one time it rested upon one of the largest manufacturers of saddles and harnesses from members of the cavalry, First World War, Teddy Roosevelt, and Pancho Villa. He had a credit card and no annual fees. How did he do it? On my left-hand side here, we have the Omni La Mansion Hotel. Grand opening was March 1st, 1853, as St. Mary's School Boys, and then I became St. Mary Law School. That's why they say, Mama, Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. Okay, say cheese, guys. We're gonna get a picture. Say cheese. One time, take a picture. Take our picture. Say cheese. Alfred says.
Hola.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, sweetie. So kind, sweetie. Look to my left-hand side now. Look straight up the skyline. You're going to witness an optical illusion. Here it comes. The next hospital, first hospital, that indoor parking garage, ambulance service, and maternity ward. Look up, folks. Left side, straight up. What do you see, folks? That's right, that's right. That's right. This is called the Oh Wow Building. Who was born in the next hospital? Thank you! Our comedian Calvinet. And guess who else? Guess who else was born here? I'll give you a hint. Yours truly. Guess what? I even have my receipt from the born. And I saw one prescription, 50 cents. I'm sorry, the next hospital, the first hospital, I have indoor parking garage, ambulance service, and maternity ward. In front, have you folks been to the Alamo so far? We're going to talk more about the Alamo as we go along here. Now, as you enter in front of here, walk inside the Hyatt Regency. When you walk inside of it, you're going to see two glass elevators, huge atrium, great landscaping, water inside as a reminder of the aqueduct system designed by our Spaniards. And of course, on the other folks, the famous Alamo. You would not want to be here in 1836. There's no man's land here, 1836. Again, I'm going to talk more about the Alamo as we go along. Look right across the street now. Look to my right corner. Look at the flag of the great state of Texas. It flies with the Casino Club building, built in 1927 as a social club for our German community. What great famous American author guys, Alex Haley, author Roots in San Antonio. Look at our magnolia tree. It spreads its arms out and it says, "Welcome to San Antonio." Isn't that great? All right, say cheese, guys. There you go. A member of the paparazzi. Yay. Have you noticed all our landscaping? Thanks to your generosity by being in the store, you maintain us as your national landmark. That's our roll call. Damn it, fans from Seattle, Seattle fans. Seattle fans. My friends from the great state of Indiana, Notre Dame.
Colts are playing tonight.
There you go. And also my friends from the great state of New York, yeah. My friends from way down under Australia. We have all the presidents of the great state of Virginia. Houston Astro fans. Dallas Cowboy fans. And not once, not twice, but 5-time national champion by San Antonio Spurs. And all about my young ladies who are celebrating their 50 anniversary graduating. Welcome back, graduates from the many minutes ago. Welcome back. You haven't changed a bit. You haven't changed a bit. You're not gonna do. Look on my right side here. We have Dos Equis. Yeah. It keeps the economy going. No, guys, we're just having fun, guys. Hey, guys, look on my right side here. It reads A.I.A. Architect. Here we have the office of the father of the Riverwalk, Robert H. Hugman. Along the staircase, a bust in his honor, the great architect, Robert H. Hugman. Above and post Commerce Street, where the leaders of the Alamo wrestled surrender back in 1836. Isn't that beautiful? Our next door neighbor here, Casa Rio, first restaurant, 1946. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, look at Casa Rio. It's peaceful, it's tranquil, it's quiet, right? Hey guys, come back for lunchtime.
Yeah, not for long.
Come back for dinner time. We're socializing, we're singing, we're laughing, we're dancing. And speaking of dancing, did you know that your boat Captain Alfred is the king of merengue? Yes, any merengue dancers, huh? Any salsa dancers? Please, when you turn 61, Don't buy a cane, buy Rogaine. It doesn't work, guys. Money back guarantee. We're now entering the man-made section of the Riverwalk here, built in the 1960s to accommodate Hammond 68. I was here early grand opening. On my left-hand side here, we have our Chamber of Commerce here. Is anyone staying at the Marriott River Center? Look, always straight now. These are the only two worldwide Marriotts that rest across each other. In order to accommodate the Marriott upper left corner, they had to remove a 3-story structure built in 1906 for a motel. They placed in 100 truck tires, 36 axles, in metal tires. They moved the 62 blocks. You have to see it to believe it. How about that? What's it?
Which is the hotel where they put the total
That's the one to the right of me and behind me? Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll show it to you in about 10 minutes from now. Yeah. Thank you for mentioning that. That's the Hilton Hotel. Look on my right-hand side here. We have a waterfall here. This waterfall keeps are clean, filtered, support many coral life like brine, carp, shellfish, crawfish, turtles, and the world-renowned them all, the Little Mermaid. Can everyone say, oh? You can see a lot of beautiful flowers here. Some are fading away right now, but right inside we did have hibiscus here. Hibiscus, excuse me. Look at all the palm trees on both sides of the Riverwalk here. As I move forward, look straight ahead now. Look right across the street now, right in the corner. That is the Grand Hyatt Hotel. It is 48 stories tall. It's officially the tallest building in San Antonio. It's officially the tallest building in the world.
Really?
You know why?
Why?
Because everything is big in Texas. Yeah. At this time, folks, it gives a great pride and great privilege to present to y'all the Henry B. Gonzalez Community Center, named in honor of the first Mexican-American who represent our nation's capital for 38 years in the House of Representatives. Folks, a distinct pleasure and honor in visiting our congregation, nation's capital, 79, and guess what, folks, guess what? He paid for my lunch. Whoa! Any members of Congress on board? Any future members of Congress? Make it proud. All right.
You never know.
You never know, right? Alpha says, everyone, get your cameras ready. Go to the right of the Grand Hyatt Hotel. Look to my upper left corner now. I'm going to slow it down for y'all. Look at this mosaic mural to my inside here. A gift from the city of San Antonio, designed by Juan O'Gorman from Mexico. It's called the Confluence of Civilization, also known as the Lila Cockrell Theater, in honor of the first elected female mayor of San Antonio. We do have, for the first time in history of San Antonio, an African-American female, Ms. Ivy Taylor, and of course, we wish her the best of luck. In the middle, we have a man and woman representing Ebony. In the middle of Ebony, we have the child of the future. Go to the left of Ebony, Colonial Mexico, and a straight left, Mesoamerica. Go to the right of the astronaut, Colonial America, and a straight right, Western civilization, represented by the Roman Empire. Folks, this is phenomenal. A gift from the city of San Antonio, designed by Juan O'Gorman from Mexico. That is sensational. Isn't that amazing? After this tour, oh, excuse me, before I forget, check your ticket stubs. You have discounts behind your ticket stubs. As you look at your ticket stubs, please don't forget our sponsors, Twitter, Facebook, and like us on Facebook. I had no idea what I just said, guys. Just do it. I barely got a cell phone, guys. After this tour, Alfred recommended the following. Take a stroll in Fenner, walk inside Hemisphere Park, visit the Institute of Texas Cultures. That's not free. What is free? Tomorrow through Sundays, Institute of Mexico in our gallery. Okay. Who among y'all loves to ride the bumper car? Look, guys, you are in luck. We are gonna have bump. Les bumps c'est soi, les bumps c'est moi. If you are concerned with the bump, do not despair. We have seatbelts, and these seatbelts were furnished by American Airlines. And guess what, folks? This is my first time doing this. Yes, I need to follow directions. Okay, put the left hand on the wheel, right hand on the throttle, and you are going to yell Wilma. Right on, cowboy. Hi, old Silver. Oh, Beethoven. Tell Tchaikovsky news. Japonski je suis. To be, not to be. Looking for love and all. Dog bumpers. Well, that's I have no idea. It's part of the fun, guys. Now you know why you spent $8.25. And now for our feature presentation. Folks, for being so kind and being on my tour, your boat captain Alfred has something to return in kind. Did you know that it is no longer recommended by the Archdiocese of San Antonio that our children and ourselves that we should no longer draw on an 8 by 11 sheet of paper? Why? It hinders theirs in our imagination. It's now we're going to start drawing on a 24 by 30 pad so they can expand our imagination. Ooh. My gift, it's an memorial for being on my tour. I've been a Michael Jackson guy. But allow me to prove my point. Return to a mosaic. It's 130 feet wide, 22 feet in height. Every main panel looking at is 1 feet by 1 feet square dimension, 1 inch thick, 90 pounds each, 560 plus panels, 400,000 polished stone. Folks, as of March 9, 1731, 56 individuals arrived from the Canary Islands, Spain, and folks, look at now, is a testimony to the strength and vitality of San Antonio, and folks, San Antonio deserves a round of applause. Yay, San Antonio. All right. Are you folks enjoying our weather today? Guess what? It's like this year around.
Yeah, right.
Every day.
Especially in August.
Yes, in August. If you don't believe me, come back in July. Our summers are excruciatingly, unbearably, undeniably, miserably hot. Try 100 degrees. Plus humidity. 100 degrees celsius. No tour will be complete without the namesake of our illustrious community, St. Anthony, San Antonio de Padua. Look right across the river and against the wall. Note that St. Anthony is on to the Christ child. We make St. Anthony the patron saint of children, patron saint of articles, and guess what, ladies? The patron saint to find a good man. Woo! Where can one find true love in San Antonio, Texas? Where else? At the mall. They're on sale. And on sale, allow me to quote Shakespeare. Here's what he said on the subject, and I quote, "Shop until you drop." Shakespeare. What a man, what a man. Look, folks, here we have the official boat of the San Antonio Spurs on the right side here. It reached 99, 03, 05, 07, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I exaggerated, guys. My buddy Clip's coming in movies pretty soon. Got a big star, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead, big star. Keep it on. My buddy Clip, going a big star. You watch a big star on his way to Hollywood pretty soon. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas.
So you moved down before you
Sponsored by Walmart.
float away.
We had to keep watching the creek, didn't we? Because it literally just...
We were down visiting family in Port Arthur, Beaumont area. You heard of that? That's where they got.
Riverwalk San Antonio Mall has a 1 million square feet of shopping. Inside the mall, we have the IMAX theater, which shows a movie called The Price of Freedom about the Battle of the Alamo. For all you guys love the CIA, we have a spy museum inside the mall, a spy museum. Ladies and gentlemen, if your name is Edward, Mary, Henry, Jonathan, Megan, Rachel, Josephine, Jennifer, Sharon, your name is underneath that tree right there. Your name's on that tree right there. Santa Claus on Christmas Eve will come by here first to the mall and pick up your name and go inside the mall and select the prize that you want all your life. I'd like to invite all my guests out to this tour to enjoy the music of Andean Fusion. Performing by the Beatles, Eric Clapton, Frank Sinatra, Judy Garland, Ben Miller, from Texas, Selena, from California, La Bamba, Andrea Botticelli, Margaret de los Solis, and from my generation to your generation, the Bee Gees. Where are my Bee Gees fans? Stay alive, stay alive. You know why I got married? Disco died. Certainly, I got married. I said, okay, it's time to get married. And it's time to get married, so I got married. Thank you. I'm going to show y'all. How you doing, guys? How you doing? Pick up out there. I'm going to show y'all a rare exotic plant here. It has a Latin name to it. It is difficult to pronounce. Translator. It's called poison ivy. It's soothing, relaxing, refreshing. If you touch it, you feel like forever 21. Do you folks like lemonade? Look at our lemon tree right above us here. A lemon tree. No, they're green now.